So now quickly we are gonna take a look here at the few products from Nitecore, or especially this C-stand, this flexible USB-C charging cable. This is how it looks like here in the package, USB-A to USB-C, and now it is connected with the power bank, the NB20000 from Nitecore, and the light is the Tiny 2 from Nitecore, which is now running on 200 lumens, and it is being recharged at the same time. And you can truly bend this cable as you wish, so truly flexible. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.